Hi, I'm Salady Gomez, and I'm playing the emoji game. Billy Ray Cyrus is a part of it. It is Old Town Road. Ha! Got it. Whew. Oh, look at her now. That's awesome. It's two eyes. I like this game. They should make it like a little card game. Eyes, look, and the @ sign. Then it's a girl. So look at her, and then now is the exclamation point. Ooh, I like it. Okay, there is a paper rings. Paper rings. Taylor. Yeah, oh yay! Love it. 3 rings. Rings, circle. 3 circles. 3 circles. Circles 3. Circles! Oh, it's Post Malone. That was very confusing. And they're red. Like, that's tricky, you guys. You're trying to do a whole thing. This is like Dance Monkey, right? This was a little guy that's going like that. His suit is super cute, and then there's a little monkey. That's a good song, though. I love that song. Okay, so, oh, I already can tell this is Katy Perry. I know what it is. It's the Katy Perry song, but I don't know what it's called. It's like Harley's in Hawaii. What is the box? That looks like it's mail. Okay, so these are the 2 like Spanish girls. I'm thinking Senorita. Ha! Knew that one. Oh wow, thanks. This is a tricky one. So there's Wolves by me. Yeah? Crown. Princess. Okay, Crown. Oh, Stormzy! Literally all day yesterday I was talking about him. Party in the USA. And well, thank you so much for watching me do the emoji game with Moxie and Sass. I had a great time.